Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about medical devices career opportunities in the regulatory affairs. So basically medical devices has one of the field where regulatory affairs professionals can able to apply for jobs. So in regulatory affairs, finished products can also have an opportunity for the freshers and even experienced people. But in biologicals and vaccines also, and same time, there is opportunities in the nutraceuticals also, in veterinary also, and then also in the medical devices. So what do you mean by medical devices? Medical devices are nothing but it is an instrument or apparatus which is used to modify any disorder or to improve any disorder, and sometimes it is also used for diagnosis also. So there are different medical devices which might be used, so such as even like thermometer, which is the diagnostic aids, oximeter, oxygen concentrator is also, even mask is even there. Then you can see the CT scanner is also there, heart valves are there, like even the sutures are also there. So there are different medical devices available in the market. But how the medical devices has to be regulated? So there are different regulations, and for the regulatory affairs professional, the major work of this is making the regulatory strategy. Second one, also work on the pre-market approvals, then post-market approvals for products which are exported to other countries, and then inspection and auditing. So these are the basic roles of the regulatory affairs professional in the medical devices. So in the medical devices, there are a lot of companies also where you can apply for the jobs in the India and even in the other countries also. But the basically you need to know the regulations behind this. So first of all, you need to understand the different classification of the medical devices. So the first classification, it is for actually US FDA, that is low risk device, medium risk device and high risk device. If we understood the regulations in India, that is under CDSCO it was made. So it is first is low risk device, then low to medium risk, then medium to high risk, and then high risk device. But in the Europe there is different European Union medical device regulations are there. So now we need to understood how the medical devices should be regulated or registered in different countries. So basically we are focusing here the USA, okay, and Europe. So first in USA, what is the strategy and what is the plan? We will check. The first is device classification, then prepare submission, submit application, then FDA review, then preclinical or clinical testing, then QSR quality system regulation, then FDA inspection, clearance, then post-marketing surveillance. So in USA, there are three different regulatory pathways. First is 510K regulation. 510K is nothing but if your device is already like compared same device from other countries already available, so we have to check the compatibility, okay, the safety by comparing your device with the existing device. But if your device is high risk device, then pre-market approval is needed at this case. Then de novo registration. Then after de novo classification. So de novo classification is basically for the novel drug, which is new drug, with that there is no any alternative in the market available. This is the first device. So here your safety document has to be submitted. Now we will check the different documentation which is required for the registration of the devices. So the first one is description of the device, then design and material component, then design and development, then design plan, validation testing. At the same time we need to know the labeling requirement according to do the labeling, and then in quality management system GMP compliances has to be followed. Then we move to the next step, that is FDA review. FDA review, they will review if the documentation is according to 510K, then pre-marketing approval or de novo. So according to that, the FDA will review, and if there is any query, additionally they have to inform, and that is called as RTA, refuse to accept. So you have to submit the additional documentation request. Then we move to the next, that is pre-clinical and clinical testing. So pre-clinical testing first include biocompatibility testing. It includes cytotoxicity test, then irritation test, and then sensitization test as well. Then in case of the softwares where we are included in any medical devices, the software validation should be done. And for any devices, mechanical and electrical testing is also there to check the durability and test of that device. This is all about preclinical. In the clinical, investigational, non-investigational, endpoint testing. These are the three tests we have to conduct. Then we move to the next quality system requirement. It includes control, document control, purchasing control, production and process control, kappa, corrective action, preventive action, then handling, storage, distribution and installation, complaint handling, then assessment, then clearance and post-market approval. So this is all about the US FDA. But now we move to the next, that is the European. So in Europe, there the medical device registration required following steps. That is, the first one is classification, then appoint response representative basically, then prepare technical file, then conformity assessment. It include declaration of the safety of the devices, then unique device identification code is given, then it should be registered with the UDA-MED, and then C, marketing, then post-marketing surveillance, then labeling requirement. So there are different ISO certification needed for the medical device in the Europe. That is ISO 14971, it is for the risk assessment, okay. Then next one, 13485, it is for the quality management system. So these are the different regulations which has to be followed. So this is all about the medical device in the regulatory affairs. You can build career in regulatory here, but apart from the regulatory, in sales and marketing, in quality control, quality assurance, okay, you have to do career. You can able to do the career in the medical device also. So if you want to look the career in drug regulatory affairs, so you need to learn all the regulations, the guidelines, amendments. So here we will teach all this information about the regulatory affairs with the placement assistance in our 3-month certification course in the drug regulatory affairs. So for getting all information, kindly check the description or fill the Google form given in the description, or call to this number or visit our website. I hope this video will definitely bring more insights about the medical device information up in the regulatory affairs. For more such informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel, and if you like the content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.